How to use Windsurf AI. So basically, what you need to do first is go to the platform and download the app itself. Now, you need to log in first or sign up if you don't have an account so you can download. Now, after you download, it should look like this. Now, this may seem familiar if you're a coder. Now, this looks like Visual Studio, which I can see. So that's how you can use Windsurf AI. So Windsurf AI is an AI-powered IDE, formerly known as Codium, that stays 10 steps ahead of you. So its interface will remind you a lot of VS Code, which is actually a good thing. But take note, with a powerful AI engine deeply integrated into its very core. Yes, so that means you'll be able to code easily, or what you may call vibe coding. So it contains some of the AI agents like Cascade, Flows, Windsurf previews, integrated deployment, and many more models of coding. So you can start by doing this. You'll see that after you download, you'll be able to choose to code with Cascade or open the command palette, or you can even install it on Linux and just follow the steps. And as you can see here, this is how you can use Windsurf AI. Simply just ask anything and it'll start coding for you. And you can also do it manually. And that's how you can use Windsurf AI in coding.